If your closets have gotten all kinds of crazy, Mark met up with our friends at Closets by Design, and they have some great organizing tips for you.
Hey guys, if you're looking to organize your life, I'm so excited because we're here with Linda from Closets by Design, and we are going to find out how the heck we can organize our closets and our pantries.
Great.
So let's start with our closet. I see that we have a really cool closet system here.
Yeah.
What is this about?
This is if you don't have room in your closet and you want to maximize your space, we can build a cabinet for you.
Okay.
Nice tall.
So many people have that. You know, they have the builder special home, they don't have a big walk-in closet, and they're like, what the heck do I do, right?
Exactly.
And I love the fact that you actually like took it up so I can put stuff up there.
Yes, maximize your space. That's what it's all about.
Okay, one thing that I really noticed too is that now we actually have drawers and closets. So what is that about?
Well, that's where you can put your things like your jewelry tray.
Oh.
Yeah, we've got a jewelry
You
tray.
gotta have a lot of jewelry to fill that up.
Yeah.
I won't show that to Mandy.
Yeah.
I was just like, I don't have enough jewelry.
And then just other regular drawers for other things. And then we also offer a tilt-out hamper as well.
I love this because it's hidden. I always find that hampers are ugly. Is it just me? Like, let's hide that in a closet somewhere.
Yeah, exactly.
And then what about this?
This is a valet rod. So if you want to prepare your clothes for the next day, you can have it all ready. Once it's pressed, you don't have to put it back in your closet. It's ready to go first thing in the morning.
Love it. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about guys' closets. What is this?
This is a shirt drawer so that you can see your shirts very easily.
Okay, perfect.
And then we have shoe shelves down below.
Of course, we need our shoes as well, right?
Exactly.
But the big thing, you know, I have 2 kids, and I always find that when you're using an adult closet system, it's very different in a kid's system, right? So
Yes,
talk to me
it
about
is.
what do you need to do for a kid's system?
So what's wonderful with our systems, they're totally customizable.
Yeah.
You can have it for age appropriate. And then you can change it as they grow up.
Yeah.
So you can remove the shelves and put more rods.
Yeah, because their clothes are a little bit more compact than ours, right?
Exactly.
So you need to customize it. Now let's check out some stuff for the pantry. So, Linda, I gotta say, our pantry is always a disaster. I never know what to do. I hate the fact that it's just shelves and there's nothing there. So what can you do?
We offer all types of solutions. We have slanted can shelves so that you can be able to see all your labels and see whatever's in there.
That is so annoying when you have a shelf that's this tall and you put a little can like that. How do you organize it? Like this, right?
Exactly. So this is great. We also have Lucite drawers available. So
very cool, very cool. What about this?
this is our pull-out baskets. We have different sizes available.
Okay.
And so you can store your apples, oranges, whatever, anything that you're not putting in the fridge, you can put into the pantry.
So many people put, you know, their potatoes in the fridge, but guys, why are you using up the storage in the fridge, right?
Exactly.
Talking about corner shelving.
So corner shelving is another way to maximize your space.
Yeah.
So that you're using up every inch
square
of
inch.
space. Yes.
Okay,
and it's all
perfect.
customizable to your size.
And then quickly, what is this about?
This is our pull-out shelf. So if you have heavy appliances, you're not pulling them out. You can store them there and out of the way.
Oh, I love it. A mixer. Oh my gosh, a mixer's so heavy. Just pull it out, plug it in, you're ready to go.
And there you go.
Well, thanks so much, Linda. Guys, for more information, visit markandmandy.com.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.